In primetime news tonight, government contemplates gun amnesty. Tragedy in Manchester. 8-month-old chopped to death. Mother seriously injured following domestic dispute. And waiting in vain. Fly Jamaica workers still in limbo over salary payments.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, this evening we're talking about the construction industry. Local developers are being told that they don't have to go overseas for metal silting. And we'll tell you about that later in the business day.
Okay, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Karen at the Sports Desk for a look at what's happening in the world of sports. Karen?
Thank you very much, Herman. Good evening to you. Well, the big show has started. That's the ICC World Cup, with joint host England scoring a huge win. And the West Indies are set to open their campaign on Friday morning. We'll tell you all about that.
Exciting stuff. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, would you support a gun amnesty? Why or why not?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after the break.
News headlines